responsibility and causality in trading. Success depends on one and is killed by the other. Conventional thinking relies on causality, cause and effect. In mindset reflexology, we rely on responsibility. Now, your choice of models has an enormous effect on how you experience life and trading. In mindset reflexology, we hold that causality is a convenient illusion without any real basis in fact. Now, for example, let's say two cars collide at an intersection during morning rush hour, and people call this an accident, right? Very curious, and then look for a cause. Determining the cause is essential in the causality model. Now, this game is so prevalent in society and so lucrative that people even make up accidents. The application of causality shifts focus away from claiming responsibility and towards the mechanics of assigning blame. Now, just as a note here too, the words responsibility and causality mean radically different things depending on which model you favour. In the responsibility model, everyone is responsible for everything, and causality is just an illusion. In the causality model, everything has a cause, and a select few people are responsible. In what I teach, mindset reflexology, a traffic accident does not have a simple cause. To find a cause, we need to account for the positions, velocities, and accelerations of the two vehicles at the time of impact. This is the causality version, by the way, not the responsibility version. In the causality model, the positions of each car at the moment of impact is a function of the driver's time of departure from home. This in turn depends on how and when he eats his breakfast and on countless other factors.